Hi friends, welcome back. I'm here at Ashley Furniture Store. Oh yes guys, to do another store walkthrough. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, stay tuned my friends. Hey, look at these pieces over here guys. From the recliners to the triple recliners to the double recliners. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful.
All the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me once you travel the world, all the spaces inside.
Starting with this beautiful right arm chase sectional. It is absolutely gorgeous. Oh yes, and the ottoman, it is a different color, but it goes perfectly with it. Yes, this is nice. So this sectional is $2,450. And of course, you can get it for $41 a month with the financing. Yeah, really, really nice.
I'll be your height when you fall down.
This is a really pretty chair here. I do not see the tag. I think the tag has been taken off, but it is so huge and it is beautiful. Nice place to cuddle up in. Oh yes. Nice throw and a nice cup of water beside you with the remote control. That's all you need. This green three-piece is gorgeous, guys. Oh my goodness. It looked like it may be like a velvet material, but yes, it is the chase, the love seat, and the sofa. So let's see if we can get a few prices. Sofa, guys, is $750, or you can take it home for $13 a month. Yes, and you know they have the 60 months with no interest financing here. Oh yes guys, so take advantage of that if you want to. Alrighty, so yeah, this is the sofa here. The beautiful love seat. And the chase.
I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your height.
This beautiful server is absolutely gorgeous. You can get it for $15 per month at no interest. And that mirror, you can get it for $5 a month. So the mirror is $250. The server is $900. It wouldn't be me if I didn't open up a drawer or two, right?
Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation.
This chair is gorgeous. It is $700. It is dark gray.
You're gone now, will you call me back?
Gorgeous.
Yeah, I know that you're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me.
This beautiful round table and 4 chairs, absolutely gorgeous. It is $1,400 or $24 a month. Pretty good weight on these chairs. Oh yes, this unassembled accent cabinet is $350 or $6 a month.
You fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination.
The piece above it is $255 or $8 a month.
You're far away, and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that.
Another beautiful server with the glass doors for $1,250 or $21 a month. This table is beautiful and it is huge. Oh my goodness. They have this matching server. Okay. Rectangle table and 4 chairs. You can get it for $27 a month. The full price is $1,600. And the server is $600. This table is really neat. Round end table for $300. It is 60% off, guys. Ooh, look at this open shelf. The gold open shelf. It matches that table really nice. The bookcase, it is $750 or $13 a month. This piece is nice, $80.
Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation.
Alright guys, here's this table again in silver. A table for $400. And this is the round end table for $300. Yes. Another accent chair. This is in rose. It is $500 or $9 a month. I like the nail trim on this one. The tufted sides. Beautiful. All right, guys, this recliner, it is on clearance. It was $1,100. Let's see if we can find the clearance price. Don't see the clearance price, but there is a closer look on the tag. Another recliner. This one is blue, and it is gorgeous. It is $1,200 or $20 a month.
Changing sensation.
Look at these pieces over here, guys. From the recliners to the triple recliners to the double recliners. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. So let's see if we can get a price. Alrighty friends, so the power recliner sofa with adjustable headrest is $2,900 or $50 a month. So that's going to be this one with the 3 seats. This color is amazing. Oh my goodness. Let me see how it feels. You know, I gotta sit on it. Oh my goodness, yes. I can't even describe it, guys. It's lovely. It is soft, but hey, this piece, you're gonna have it for a very, very long time. Soft and firm, all in one. Okay. These pieces are gorgeous as well. Oh my goodness. So I guess, guys, you can get this set in black, in tan, and brown. So the recliner by itself, this one is $2,100 or $35 a month on each one. It's a little opening right there for your remote control, cup holder. Ooh, the opening right there. Soft close on that. And some little buttons right here. Oh yes, guys, this is nice. Fancy pantsy here. Woo. the piece of the day, guys. This color here, I'm telling you, it is undeniable.
You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact.
Full model clearance 3-piece table for $580. Rectangle table with 4 chairs at $1,950 or $33 a month with that same long bench. Oh yes, that bench can seat at least 3 to 4 people. Yes, this is really, really nice. And then we have the server. The server is $1,250. Glass doors. Now let's see if these drawers open. Oh, they do.
I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination.
This is a cute accent chair. This one is $440 or $8 a month. This is a door accent cabinet for $1,100 or $19 a month. Isn't that stunning? Oh my goodness.
You come home to me once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination.
Alrighty friends, this is a clearance piece here. It is the floor model 6-piece in the false cabinet and desk. So it is on sale for $1,400 and that is 50% off in white. First TV stand, it is called the large TV stand for $800 or $14 a month, and the one below it is a little bit bigger. The one below is an extra large TV stand with fireplace option for $15 a month, and the total price is $900 on that one. This beautiful swivel glider accent chair, another beautiful piece for $800 or $14 a month. Another beautiful accent chair here. It is an accent rocker chair in neutral for $600 or $10 a month.
Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you.
This server is $1,400 or $24 a month.
I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be some.
One we just seen, just in a different pattern, $400 or $7 a month. It's beautiful. So this one is $700 as well as the blue one. And I'm telling you, it is gorgeous. It has the clear legs. Beautiful, beautiful. Alrighty, friends, this accent chair is $900, or you can take it home for $15. I like the lantern next to it as well. That's beautiful. Let's see. It is $300. Alrighty, friends, this extra large 74-inch TV stand is $1,000 or $17 a month. It is beautiful with the glass at the top, nice beautiful knobs, huge on the inside. Oh yes, nice wood. And then we have the large bookcase. It is on clearance. I'm not sure what the clearance price is, but it is on clearance, guys. The original price was $749.
You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be.
This is a counter table and 4 bar stool set for $900 or $15 a month. It matches those pieces behind it too. Oh, look at here, guys. It has so you can put your little baskets. Ooh, okay. Nice. On both sides, yes. Well, I like it. I like it a lot. Well, all right, friends, that is it here today at Ashley Furniture Store. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share my content with others. Thank you all so much for your support, and I'll see you all in the next one.
Seen all the things, all the places. I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart.